In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR code for payment in Stripe. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can start accepting payments from a quick scan. A QR code is just a visual shortcut to a payment link. When your customer scans it with a phone, they're taken straight to a secure Stripe checkout page for the item or service you set up. No typing, no confusion. First, sign in to your Stripe dashboard. On the left-hand menu, head to Payments, then open Payment Links. This is where Stripe lets you create checkout pages without any custom code. If you don't see it immediately, it's within the Payments area. Make sure you are in the correct account and workspace before you continue. Next, create your payment link. Click the plus new button to start a fresh link for your product or service. You'll be prompted to enter the essential details. Give your product a clear name, add a short description if you like, and set the price. Use a price that matches what you want customers to pay and double-check the currency. Keep the name and price unambiguous, so customers know exactly what they're purchasing. When you are done, save or create the link. Stripe will generate a unique checkout URL for you automatically. Once the payment link is created, it's time to grab the QR code. Look for the small QR code icon next to the link URL or select the option labeled Copy QR Code. That icon generates a scannable image that points directly to your payment page. It's the same destination as the link, just packaged in a format that a phone camera can read instantly. Now download and share the QR code. Choose the PNG option to save it as an image. A PNG works well across devices and keeps the code crisp for both digital and printed use. When placing it on flyers, menus, counters, or screens, give the code a little breathing room and avoid stretching or compressing it so it remains easy to scan. Keep good contrast. Dark code on a light background is best, and add a short label like Scan to Pay nearby, so customers know what it does. You can also include the plain URL beside it as a backup for anyone who prefers tapping a link. That's it. You've created a payment link, generated the QR code, and downloaded it as a PNG to share wherever your customers interact with you. Thanks for watching.